India's motorcycle culture is shifting gears, from a necessity to a full-blown movement. In this video, we explore how bikers across the country are creating a powerful community driven by freedom, passion, and the love for the open road. Join Tailwind's Motoverse as we ride through the evolution of Indian biking culture. India's love for motorcycles has always existed, but today, it's more than just a mode of transport. It's a lifestyle, a brotherhood, and a symbol of freedom. Let's have a look at the evolution of biking in India. Remember when motorcycles were all about mileage? That's changed, with machines like the Royal Enfield 650s, KTM Dukes, Triumph 400s, and more. Indian riders now chase performance, design, and soul. The motorcyclists are more interested in community and rides. Across India, thousands of riders gather every weekend for breakfast rides, long-distance tours, or just to explore hidden roads. From Leh to Kanyakumari, there's a route for every type of motorcyclist. The custom culture is evolving. Custom builds are another booming trend. Workshops in Goa, Mumbai, and Bangalore are crafting one-of-a-kind bikes that reflect the rider's personality. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650, Jawa Bobber and other models are designed keeping customization in mind. Inclusivity and growth, the best part? It's not just men anymore. Women riders are taking the lead, clubs are going co-ed, and age is no barrier. From college students to seasoned professionals, everyone's joining in. This motorcycle wave in India isn't slowing down, it's just beginning. The roads are calling, and the tribe is growing. Are you riding with the change?